can't see us, guys, but welcome to Daily Real. This is Mike.
I'm Andrew.
I know you can't see us because we're in the car. We're about to do a fucking pool for you guys. Well, we're gonna wait until he gets down. Here we go, guys, from a dead stop. Hopefully I can send it to you. Alright guys, that was a little pull in the D15 in Andrew's car.
What's going on? I know y'all couldn't see much, I'm sorry, but a little something for now until there's better lighting.
She got jokes. This girl got jokes. Anyway guys, this is Mike.
I'm Andrew, and as always, keep it real
and keep moving forward.